Are you trying to save up for your dream home? Does saving for a down payment feel overwhelming? In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 best ways to save for your down payment in 3 minutes. Before we get to the video, please make sure to subscribe to the channel and do let us know what you think in the comments section below. Number 1. Cut down on unnecessary expenses. Saving for a down payment on your home will require some sacrifice. Fortunately, the easiest way to do this is cut back on your expenses and save. Start by reducing your expenses 5 to 10% across the board. At first it will seem a very little amount of money, but the money will add up, and soon you will have enough money saved. Here are a few things that you can do to reduce unnecessary expenses. Cut down on things like eating out and shopping for things you don't immediately need. Save on rent by moving to a smaller place, getting a roommate or Airbnb a spare room. If you have a partner and you have 2 cars, consider getting rid of one. All this can save you thousands of dollars per year. Number 2. Get a side hustle. Side hustles can be a great way to make some extra money. Look for something that you're passionate about so that you will genuinely enjoy it. For instance, if you're into photography, what's stopping you from becoming a wedding photographer on weekends? If you love pets, walking dogs or pet sitting for business travelers and people going on vacation can be a fun side hustle. The sky is the limit. With technology, there are a lot of different ways you can make money online from the comfort of your home. You can do freelancing using websites like Fiverr or Upwork, test out websites, sell products online, etc. Check out my previous video where I show you 3 best side hustles to make money online. Number 3. Manage your money. Managing money is the most important step of saving for a down payment. It not only helps you keep track of all your expenses, but also helps you avoid overspending and make the most of every dollar. Although money management can sound a little daunting, it is something that will help you to be in control of your finances and make right financial decisions. Here are a few things that you can do to manage your money well. 1. Make a budget. A budget can help you prioritize your spending and reduce costs and stress. 2. Start paying down debt. Take your debt seriously and make it a priority to pay down. 3. Automate your savings. Automating your savings can help you reduce the temptation to spend those funds without planning ahead. With that said, thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe for more great content and I will see you on the next one.